Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this new session of weekly analysis. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen. In today's session, we are going to analyze Banknifty, and today I'm going to show you a very good free tool where you can do your intraday scanning. So let's get started without much waiting. So let's go to Banknifty chart. So we are on a monthly time frame. So we are on a monthly time frame. As you can see, the monthly candle is still at the level where it has reached in the previous month. From this level, it has again gone down. So this is a very critical level we have to watch out for. But the good thing is that if you have noticed, let me just show you the data. Look at the data on the left hand side, on the left top, where you can see the open is 21217 for this month and the low was 21170. So it was quite close to the low, which I can say. But this is a very positive sign. As you can see, this is far away from the moving average, this candle, and it has formed a bottoming tail bar. Okay, so this is one of the setups. If the high is crossed, and if this high is crossed, then the trend will clearly be bullish till we reach this level. Okay, so this will be our target, which is at 25,637. So it can come a little lower and it can reach this first target. So watch out for that level. That is the kind of analysis which is looking at the monthly chart we can make out as of now. So let's go to a weekly chart and see how is the week going to be for the next week. So as you can see, this is one reversal, bearish reversal, reliability medium. Even investing.com is giving you a signal that there is a reversal possible here, and this is the level where it has dropped, and this candle has not closed above this. So we have to wait and watch. I'm expecting maybe next week the candle can open here and it can form a candle like this and then come down, take a support on this, and then form a rally, take this high out, and then take this high out like this. It can do something like this. Or if any bad news comes, then it can break this level and go down also. So this is a very critical support level for us, as you can see. So this level has to hold on a weekly time frame. Now let's analyze this on a daily time frame. So daily time frame, you can see easily. Oh, I like to see this kind of setups, and I like drawing trend lines on these kind of setups. Can you see the trend line, how clear it is? It has gone up, created a new high, and came down and touched the trend line, or you can say took support on the moving average, then went up, then came down, support, now it is moving up, and if at all it continues the trend, it can take a support from here and make a new high. So it is always making a new high. It can make a new high again, and again it can come back if it continues in the trend. If the trend breaks, then you can see that this is going to happen. As simple as that. It looks very simple, I know. It looks very easy to identify after everything has happened, but what is needed to trade this kind of movements is psychology. You need to be 100% sure that this is the pattern you are following and this is the way it is going to retrace and go up. So you have to stick to the rules, and you should always have a rule that if it breaks this channel, I'm going to exit. And wherever you get an opportunity, that means you have bought here, it went high, bought again here, it went high, then here you found a reversal, and then you waited till it comes back to this level, because you're sure, although your profit has gone down because it has come down significantly from the level you have bought, but still you're holding this level. If this level is again holding up, you add one more lot here, and then this is one more setup where this high is taken out, then you go long, again it comes down, and then you add one more lot. So like this, your average price will be somewhere here, and your profit will be bigger once you get down to this level, and if it comes to this level, it becomes really nice profit. So that is the kind of psychology we need to hold on, but that is very difficult thing to achieve. That the psychology is the key thing, and it is very difficult to achieve that level of strength, so that you can hold on to the market. For that you need to practice a lot, and that requires a lot of money, time and effort, and it is not that easy. If it is easy, then everybody would have been doing that, but it is a passion which will drive you towards that, and you will be able to achieve it if you consistently follow your own heart and do what you like the most. So if you have passion for the markets and you want to achieve something, definitely nobody is going to stop you from achieving that. Okay, so let us analyze this on a 15-minute time frame. The trend line still holds on the 15-minute time frame also. It is pretty decent. Okay, on a 15-minute time frame, I can see that there is a 200 period moving average here, which can be a support if the market comes down on Monday. This can act as a support, and the market can stay here and then go up from here. So this is clearly visible now, and super trend is bearish, so you should look out for bearish strategy on a 15-minute time frame. Once this trend changes, then you can go for bullish strategies. Normally how I do, if you want me to answer that question, I will always look out for a 15-minute trend, then I look out for a 5-minute super trend basis this, and I also look at the VWAP for a double confirmation. If the price is going down, the price has crossed VWAP, then immediately I go and make a debit spread, so that my view is bearish and I'm expecting a further downfall. And when I see this kind of retracement happening, I hold it and I wait till it reaches this level and add one more lot to that. Okay, so that your profit becomes double. So your average price becomes in between your entry price and your addition price, so that you can get good profit. So like this you have to trade, because you're sure that after the price has crossed VWAP, it has come down, it has to take a retracement back and then go down. Now it is here, now it has to go down further. It has to go down till the 200 period moving average, and then from there it can retrace basis the market condition. So that is how we trade. And this is the analysis for Banknifty. Next week, what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to fall a little bit up to these levels, like 21581 up to these levels. It can hold up to these levels and then move on. So our daily chart says that it can come down to this trend line, which is at 21585, and this is a reversal candle. The volume was also decent enough. I'll just remove VWAP on this. Yeah, so volume was decent on this candle, and then there is a red candle which has formed. You can expect one more small candle to form here, because this is in a zone. These are all small candles which are there, so this can be a zone here. So you can watch that this is a strong place where it can bounce off. If this high is taken out by a green candle again, then you can be sure short. You can have an entry above this candle, for next week, or you can buy a call or short a put. Okay, so today we are going to talk about an intraday scanner, which I find very interesting. And you can do this can be one stop where you can do and analyze your market on a daily basis and see what you can do. So I'm talking about Equisys. This is a good site, and on this, if you go to these tabs, you have like end of day stock screener, you have delivery volume chart, stock relationship, relative analysis, trend analysis, fib levels, intraday trade signals. This is what you can use for scanning for signals on intraday like this. I'll just show you this section. So intraday trade signals, you have all these filters here, and you can see, for example, if we say open is equal to high, stock bearish, one click, this is live in the market, you can do. Ajanta Pharma is bearish, and where is the price now? You can see that it is very close to the price. It has fallen down. So this is the limit. You have to always look out for stocks which are somewhere here so that you can catch and make some money. Now here, if you go on short, you can expect a reversal. So you have to watch this and understand this. Previous day high volume stocks, day gainer, okay, day loser, Equisys bullish list, intraday buy stocks, intraday sell stocks, market follower, which stock is following the market, intraday momentum, outperformer, which is performing better than the market. You can see Bharat Forge has performed better than the market. India Bulls Housing is still, there is a scope. You can watch this, and the best thing about this is you can also, can we see the chart here? Maybe not. Okay, so this is one scanner which you can use on a live market and analyze. You can do a sector watch like this. Which sector is performing well? Okay, and which are the intraday sector-wise watch? Which stock is performing well in each of these sectors, motor sector, automobile, and all that. So this you can watch. And then sentiment tracker is something which you can see. So this is the sentiment tracker. What is the sentiment of the market? Neutral sentiment, these many stocks. These are positive, and these are very positive stocks. So you can see very positive stocks and very bearish stocks like this. So you get a complete picture of the market. I am telling you, there is no other site like this where you can get this kind of analysis. And you can see market analysis. It will give you a news, and it will also give you advance and declines. This is really nice chart. You can see that advances are 89 intraday history, and later at around it includes the volume also. Volume has come down. NSE volume basis advance and declines. You can see, so you can study a bit on this and understand all these things. Advance and declines is what I watch mostly to see if advances are high or declines are high. So we have to see that if declines are high, then I would see that the market is turning bearish. Okay, there can be a reversal also. It is not only a tool which you have to use for analyzing. There are many other analysis you can do. So it is a pretty decent site. You can get to see sector-wise performance, sector-wise advance and declines, and a lot of stuff. So, a lot of companies charge a bomb to give you this kind of analysis, but here you are getting free of cost. So here you can also go to open interest option chain. Let's look at open interest chart. So this is the open interest chart, and you can see that Bata India has the highest open interest. HDFC Bank has the highest open interest and Godrej CP is the highest open interest. So you can see how easy it is to find out which stock has the highest potential of making a big move. So like this you can track an option chain. This is a beautiful thing which I found on this. You have this option chain where you can filter using which has the high call premium. And where is the price? 97. So where is the price now? It is near the resistance 100. So you can short a 100 put like this, or buy a 100 call like this. So you can do a filtering and you can see trading below support, trading neutral, high total premium, most active open. Axis Bank is most active, 428 is the price and it is near the resistance number 1. So you can expect some call from here. If it breaks this, then you can go for a call buying of 440. So like this you can filter and it's a very good tool. And there is something called as Option Chain Pro. So in this you can get to see which is the call OI gainer, call OI loser, put OI gainer, put OI loser for all the stocks. Okay, if I see call OI gainer, so July, PEL, Chola Finance. So I can click on this and the beauty of it is that the chart opens up and you can see that Chola Finance is actually at a level. Okay, this was a reversal candle which we can see. The volume was very high. You can see there is a reversal. So we can expect it to come down to this levels going forward. So you can do your chart analysis also on this. It's a beautiful tool. You can use it and analyze before getting into expensive calls. Which are the expensive calls? Apollo July is an expensive call where OI change is also given here. OI change percentage minus 22. OI change percentage is 2.7. So OI is decreasing and the price is future price is actually increasing. Apollo Hospitals. We can look at the chart and the price is neutral, but this can be a setup where it has taken the high of this. We have to wait and the volume on this candle is low. You can expect the Apollo Hospital to go up. So this is how you can analyze, combine all the things together and then have a view on the market or underlying which you are going to trade. So this is a very good high premium. Equitas is high premium and expensive put. You can see you can short expensive call and short expensive puts basis the levels. Adani puts. So there are a lot of things which you can play around. Open interest chart. I think this we have already seen. Option chain charts. Let's look at this. Wow, isn't it cool to see that option chain? And we can see that how the open interest is moving along with this, and it is here. You can see the highest open interest is at 23k strike price. This is for call option Y, put option Y. Put highest is at 21k. 21 and 23 can be your triangle strikes basis that. Now this is really cool. Very impressive. And let's look at NSE option chain filter. Wow, this is also good. Squeezed above resistance, squeezed above support, trading higher, significant call options. The ACC 30th July, support OI percentage 17, OI support at 1200, active put is 1300, future price is 1380, active call is 1400, OI resistance is 1400, 20.24. So if you understand the market and you are good at analyzing the data, and if you're somebody who is very actively trading and wants to know and catch the trades real time, this site can be a very good site where you can find out which are the things and which are the stocks you need to watch out for, and then basis that you can make your own strategy. If I stop the little bit to scanners, let's look at that. Top traded, long unwinding, short unwinding, you can see. Sale, shorts added, DV slab. So this is basically the open interest. Very simple. Grasim is short covering, long added in TCS, Godrej CP Siemens. OI quantity change. OI strength is good. OI percentage of OI change is 5.2. Now I want to look at something where the OI change is more than 10% and the price is going up. So Godrej CP, Siemens, BHL. These three are very good for me to go and trade on Monday. Look at that. Look at that move. Look at that move. This was the entry. Look at that rally. Godrej CP. My God. So this is the kind of moves you can catch if you look at the data and get to analyze a set of stocks basis certain kind of criteria if you have in the system. So I think we have got a wonderful tool here which is available for free. You can use this tool and definitely you can get to analyze the market better and catch the trades on a real-time basis. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will gain from this knowledge, and I hope you want to use this site. This site and many other sites are like this, but I found this is one of the best where you can scan the stocks and find it. I think they also have some packages available which you can check, but not sure. Okay, so that's it for this week, and thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends for gaining knowledge on the markets. Thank you so much for watching.